Hi, I'm Denise Swick with Denise Swick & Company at RE/MAX Performance, and thanks for watching my video blog and sharing it with whomever you feel will benefit. Speaking of benefiting, take a quick tour of all the homes listed for sale in the Miami Valley at the link below, or find out an approximate value for your home on the What's My Home Worth tab. Yes, that's right. Nearly 15,000 homes are selling each day across the country and over 40 a day on average in the Miami Valley. These numbers are calculated by taking the number of homes selling in total and dividing by the number of days in the year, which is 365. However, there are some homeowners who are patiently waiting to get the price they hoped for when they originally listed their homes for sale. Something these homeowners might want to take into consideration is the fact that if their home hasn't sold yet, maybe they're not priced properly. The report from the National Association of Realtors revealed that there is approximately currently only a 4.2 month supply of homes on the market. A 6-month supply is a neutral or historically normal market. This means that there are not enough homes available for sale to satisfy all of the buyers who are currently looking to buy in this market and in record numbers. There are, however, many homes that are sitting on the market and for many months. Why? Well, the answer is simple. Buyers are looking to get the most for their money, and if the house is in need of updates, cleaning, and is too cluttered for them to get a good feel for the home, they're simply not seeing the value that the seller's asking. Additionally, maybe you say, well, my house is updated, is super clean, and is model perfect. Then the answer is even more apparent when a buyer doesn't have to do anything. That's still the house, based on the price in relation to the other amenities it is offering, is still not competitive enough to attract even one buyer to make an offer, let alone multiple offers that a home will attract when it is at the right market price range. The bottom line is, I realize sellers want to get the fair market value for their home. However, if a home hasn't sold in this active real estate market of today, perhaps it's important to consider the price of the home. If you'd like a professional no-obligation evaluation, contact us at 937-619-7447 or online at deniseswick.com. Thanks again.